Every month you promise yourself to save money, but by the end it's all gone. Sounds familiar? That used to happen to me too, until I discovered the simple 50-30-20 rule. This rule is used by successful people around the world to manage their money better, and today you'll learn how to use it in the simplest way possible. Here's how it works. You divide your monthly income into 3 parts. Like entertainment, shopping, dining out, fun but not essential. Like rent, groceries, bills, your must-have expenses.
This is your future. Emergency fund, investments, or goals. Let's say you earn 30,000 rupees. 15,000 goes to needs, 9,000 for wants, and 6,000 goes straight into savings. This method gives you full control over your money without the stress and helps you build wealth slowly but surely. If this rule makes sense to you, hit the like button, subscribe, and type start today in the comments so I know you're ready for more.